Good morning, students. Continue simple equations. First one, 7x by 5 minus 1 by 14 times of x minus 11 equals 3 by 7 times of x minus 25 plus 34, then x equals. Okay. First, where the given equation 7x by 5 minus 1 by 14 times of x minus 11 equals 3 by 7 times of x minus 25 plus 34. Okay, first LCM of 5 comma 14 comma 7 comma denominator 1 kada. Okay, LCM of 5 comma 7 comma 14 equals in the 5 comma 7 comma 14 5 comma 7 prime numbers common factors unte unnai kada 7 14 common 7 2s the 7 times is 5 is 1 2 7 5 35 2s 70. Then LCM of 7 comma 5 comma 7 comma 14 equals 70. Next, they multiply on both sides 70. Okay, multiply on both sides 70. Multiply on both sides 70. Multiply on the 70 into 7x by 5 minus 70 into 1 by 14 times of x minus 11 equals 70 into 3 by 7 times of x minus 25 plus 70 into 34. Okay, next 5 1 times is 14 5 is 70. Next 14 1 times is 5 times. Next is 1 is 10 times. Next 14 into 7, 14 7s are the 14 7s are 98. 98x minus 5 into plus x minus 5x minus 5 into minus 11 plus 55 equals 10 3s are 30. 30 into x 30x. Next minus plus 30 into minus 25. Plus 30 into minus 25. 25 3s are 75 into 0. Okay, into 0. 30 3 25 times 75 75 into 10 750. Next plus 34 into 7 7 4s are 28 7 3s are 21 23 plus 2380 plus 2380. Next 98 x minus 5x 93x plus is 55 is 30x 2380 minus 750 0 3 23 minus 17 16 into plus 1630 there 0832380. Next x quotient one side and the constant one side. Next the 93x minus 30x equals 1630 minus 55. 93 minus 30 63x equals in the 30 remove in the 1575 is 25 with 30 55. Okay na? Therefore x equals 1575 by 63. Calculation 63 15 times again 10 times. Next 20 times 2 is in the 6 126. Next 25 times 63 25 times 5 3s are 15 5 6 are 30 6 36 is 1 7 2 6 are 12 3 15. Okay, and then 63 1 time 63 25 times the 1575. Therefore x equals 25. X equals 25. Note this one. Okay, na? Next. Second one. 3 plus x by 4 equals 1 by 2 times of 4 minus x by 3 minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3 times of x minus 11 by 2, then x equals, then x is. First, write the given equation. 3 plus x by 4 equals 1 by 2 times of 4 minus x by 3 minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3 times of x minus 11 by 2. First LCM of denominator 1 antaru. LCM of 4 comma 2 comma 6 comma 3. First find the LCM of 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 equals. First LCM of 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6. 2 tables can 2 one time. This is 3. 2 3 possible కాదు కాబట్టి రాస్తాం డైరెక్ట్. 2 2s are 4, next 2 3s are 6. Again 3 table. ఇది 1 అంటే ఉంటుందా? 3 one time. If not possible 2. Next 3 one time. ఎంత 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay na? LCM of 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 equals 12. Then multiply on both sides 12. Multiply on both sides 12. 12 both sides multiply and first the 12 into 3 plus 12 into x by 4 next equals 12 into 1 by 2 times of 4 minus x by 3 minus 12 times of 5 by 6 plus 12 into 1 by 3 times of x minus 11 by 2. If 4 1 times 4 3s are 12, 2 1 times 2 6 are 12, 6 1 times 6 2s are 12, 3 1 times 4 3s are 12. Multiply 12 3s are 36 plus and 3x equals 6 into 4 24. Next 6 into minus x by 3, 6 into minus x by 3 minus 6 into x by 3. It into or into next minus 2 5s are 10 plus 4 into x 4x minus 4 into 11 by 2. Okay, 3 1 times 3 2 are 6, 2 1 times 2 2s are 4. Therefore 36 plus 3x equals 24. This is minus 2x minus 10 plus 4x minus 2 11 times 22. Okay, next 36 plus 3x equals 24. There are minus 10 minus 22 minus 32. Minus 32 plus 24 minus 8. Okay, next minus 2x plus 4x. It is plus 2x. Next, then plus 2x move to LHS. 3x minus 2x equals minus 8 minus 36. Okay, na? Minus plus 3x minus 2x x minus 8 minus 34 minus 44. Minus 44. Note this one. Okay, next. Third one. 1 by 5 times of x minus 8 plus 4 plus x by 4 plus x minus 1 by 7 equals 7 minus 23 minus x by 5. Then x equals, first write the given equation, 1 by 5 times of x minus 8 plus 4 plus x by 4 plus x minus 1 by 7 equals 7 minus 23 minus x by 5. Denominator 1 untada. Okay. First LCM of the 4, 5, 7, 5 come. Then 4, 5, 7 LCM. This 5 7 in the prime number. Common factors on there. Then the 5 4s are 20, 27s are 140. Yeah, 4 5 times 20. 20 into 7, 140. 140. Therefore, multiply on both sides 140. Multiply on both sides, each and every time multiply. Okay, na? Therefore, 140 into 1 by 5 times of x minus 8. Next, plus 140 into 4 plus x by 4 plus 140 times of x minus 1 by 7 equals 140 into 7 minus 140 times of 23 minus x by 5. So 5 1 times is 28 times. 28 5 is 140. 1 4 35. Next 7 1 times is 20 times. 5 1 times 5 28 times 140. Okay, therefore simplify 28 into x 28x minus 28 8 times 28 into minus 8 8 8 are 64 4 6 8 2 are 16 16 are 224 28 8 are 224. So simplify 28 8 times 8 8 are 64 8 2 are 16 16 plus 6 22. Next plus 35 into 4 35 2 are 70 72 is 140. 35 4 times 140. Next plus 35 into plus 6 35x plus 20 into x 20x minus 20 20 into minus 1 minus 20 equals 14 7s are 98. 7 4s are 28 8 98. The 140 into 7 980 minus 28 into 23 times 28 into 23 3 8s are 24 3 2s are 6 it is 16 6 plus 16 22 22 plus 2 4 24 2 2s are 4 it is 6 644. That is 280 2 times 560 28 3 times 4 6 84. So 4 4 back 644 minus 28 into plus 23 minus 644 minus 28 into minus x minus into minus plus 28 into x 28x. Okay, next we simplify and plus 28 plus 35 plus 20 into 55 55 plus 28 35 plus 20 is 55 55 plus 28 55 plus 28 so 83 83x next plus 140 first minus 224 minus 20 minus 244 okay na minus 224 minus 20 minus 244 minus 244 plus 140 plus 104 okay na actually 244 minus 140 है కదా అంటే 104 next equal 980 minus 644 and the 0 and now 6 remaining 7 7 minus 4 3 8 9 minus 6 3 336 336 980 minus 644 980 minus 644 0 and 1 10 10 minus 4 6 remaining 7 7 minus 4 3 9 minus 6 3 336 next the remaining is plus 28x then plus 28 move to just 1 minute cancel plus 28 plus 28 cancel LHS equal RHS है plus 28 plus 20 move to RHS में तो LHS minus 28 equal to 0 है cancellation remaining is only 35 plus 20 55x 50x plus 104 then 104 move to RHS 55x equal 336 minus 104 the 55x equal simplify 2 3 232 232 therefore x equal 232 by 55 cancel this 55 only 5 table or 11 table 11 table 11 5 times the 11 2 times 22 12 not possible check the doctor 28x 28 8 times 224 next 35 4 are 140 plus 35x plus 20x minus 20 okay 140 into 7 140 into 7 980 minus 28 3 times 28 23 times 28 into 23 times 3 8 are 24 6 8 6 5 4 4 644 okay next 644 minus into minus plus 28x 28 is cancelled 1 part 2 to minus 2 to 4 minus 20 minus minus 244 plus 140 the 401 minus okay commission then minus 104 okay na minus 104 then minus 104 move to RHS plus 104 therefore 55x equals the 4 in the 43 part 340 100 440 the 440 next the 36 plus 4 the 40 300 plus 100 400 therefore x equals 440 by 55 11 table 11 5 times 11 is 4 times 44 0 5 1 times 8 therefore x equal 8 x equal 8 not yes not okay na next next fourth one 1 by 3 times of x by 4 minus 5 plus 5x by 6 minus 3x by 4 equal minus 5x by 4. Next, equal x minus 12 by 5 minus x plus 3 by 3. Then x equal. First, by the given equation, solution. 1 by 3 times of x by 4 minus 5 plus 5x by 6 minus 5x by 4 equal x minus 12 by 5 minus x plus 3 by x plus 3 by 3. First, LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6 are 3 replying here. Then the 3, 4, 5, 6 equal LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. First 3 table remember 3 one time, 4 not possible, 5 not possible, 6 2 table. 6 to 3 to the 6. Next 2 table remember 1 not possible, 2 to the 4, 5 not possible, 2 1 the. Therefore 2 3 is 6, 6 to 6 10 times 60. LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6 enter 60. LCM 60. Then multiply on both sides. Multiply on both sides 60. Multiply the 60 into 1 by 3 times of x by 4 minus 5. Next plus 60 into 5 by 6 minus 60 times of 5x by 4 equal 60 times of x minus 12 by 5 minus 60 times of x plus 3 by 3. Okay, multiply 3 1 time, 3 20 times. Next 6 1 time, 6 10 times. 3 4 1 time, 15 4 the 60. Next 5 1 time, 14 5 the 14 5 times. Next 12 5 the 60, 15 4 the 60. Okay, that 3 1 times, 3 20 times. And simplify 20 into x by 4. 20 into x by 4. Next 20 into minus 5 100 plus 10 into 5x. 10 into 5x 50x. Next minus 15 5 the 75x. Next equal 12 into x 12x. Next plus 12 into minus 12 minus 144 minus 20 into x minus 20 into x minus 20x minus 20 into plus 3 minus 60. Yeah, to simplify. 4 1 time, it is 5 times. 4 5 is 20. 5x minus 100 plus 50x minus 75x minus 25x. The plus 50 minus 75 minus 25 equal plus 12x minus 20x minus 8x minus 144 minus 60 minus 204. Next simplify. Plus 5x minus 25x minus 20x minus 100 equals the minus 8x minus 204. Then minus 8x move to our LHS. Minus 20x plus 8x equals minus 204 minus 100 move to RHS plus 100. So minus 20x plus 8x minus 12x equals minus 204 plus 100 minus 104. Notice for the first. Okay, complete. Therefore, x equals minus 104 by minus 12. The minus by minus positive. 104 by 12. 2 6 52 5. 2 5 next 2 2 next again 2 3 26 times. Therefore equal x equals 26 by 3. X equals 26 by 3. Yeah, 4 3 4 2 8, remain 24. 24 4 6 24. Okay. Therefore x equals 26 by 3. Now this one. Okay, now today class complete. Remaining topic discussed tomorrow.